Hello, welcome to this new tutorial in Talend Administration Center. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an execution plan and also how to execute an execution plan. So first, let us connect to our Talend Administration Center using our administrator account. Way to connect to an administrator account. Oops. Here I am on the job conductor page. Yeah, here you are going to see execution plan. You click on it. Yeah. So let me first define to you an execution plan. Actually, an execution plan, you can arrange in a sequence of steps your your job conductor, your all your tasks that you have created and deployed from your job conductor. Let's say, for example, you have three tasks in the job conductor. You want to execute one task after another. You want to execute the first task, and you say, add the, you add a link, add on OK. That means once your job is going to be OK, the execution is going to be OK. You execute the next task, and so on and so forth. So you also have an add on error. That means it is going to execute the next task once the current task has an error during the execution. And you have also add after, so it is going to be executed just after the first one has been executed, despite the fact that we will not take into consideration that it has been executed successfully or not. It's just going to execute the next task after. So to do this, so we are going to create our execution plan. To create an execution plan, you have a button here at. You click on the button at. You give a name to execution plan. I can say my project plan. You give a description, timeout. You can allow this field. It's not important. Click on save. It is going to add your execution plan here. You see. You click on it. Once you click on the plan, you are going to see this line is going to appear actually in this section. This is where you are going to organize your plan. That means the all the tasks you have. Remember, in our previous tutorial we created one task for our job conductor. No, sorry, this one, you remember. So in our execution plan, you can rearrange all your tasks from your job conductor and execute one after the other. So click on this one, please. You see, once you click on it, I need to save it first. So no, sorry, no, wait, I've not saved my plan. Nothing to save. Okay, if I click on it, normally it should, yeah. Once I click on it, yeah, you see I cannot select the task I want to run, the current task I want to, the first task I want to put in my execution plan. I select this task, I click on save. It's going to appear here. You see, I want, remember this task actually was to filter from the customer file, to filter customer with the statute married, customer who are married. And you want that after, I want that after this task has been executed successfully, I also want to filter customer from the customer file with the statute single, with the status single. You see. So what we are going to do, we are going to create another job in Talend to filter now customer with the statute married, with the status single. Sorry. So I'm going to launch my Talend Studio so that I can execute that one after this one has been executed successfully by using this link add on. Okay. Yeah. Let me open my Talend. It is opening. Just be patient. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. It is logging it is finding the project. Yeah, my project. Yeah, I am going to use this my project. I am going to create another branch. First of all, let me connect on this branch. I want to show you something. What I'm going to do is that I want to export that actually that job from this branch. I will create a new branch with the to filter the new branch to where I'm going to put the job with the customer with the statue single customer with statue single. So I'm going to export this job and import it and create a new branch and import it there so that I can just update the filtering part of the job. So do the proper update. So let it open. Let me show you. To avoid doing the development, redoing the development again. So okay, it is opening. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, it is taking time. By the same time, let me let it open. Yeah, just be patient. Oh, ups, 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 ups. Okay. So, yeah, this is my job, the previous job we created in the previous tutorial. Oops, it's in my Talend. Yeah, it is not responding. So we are going just to be patient. Yeah, yeah, okay. You remember this is the previous job. So what I'm going to do, I don't want to update this branch. I just want to keep my this branch here. Yeah, I am going to export this one and create a new branch with the and now import this job inside that new branch. So let me export. I click here on export item. Yeah, I want to export dependencies. You click on export dependencies. I want to export it as an archive file. Where am I going to put it? I'm going to put it inside downloads here. Yeah. Wait, I need to name the file. I'm going to take this. Okay. I want to put it inside my downloads. Yeah, okay. See, this is it. It's going to export it inside the download folder. You click on export dependencies so that you can export all the dependencies. If you have maybe a context variable and let's say system function you are using and custom routine that you are using, is going to export all those dependencies. So click on export dependencies and you click on finish. This is going to export your job in the download folder. Yeah, so now let me create a new branch. I'm going to import it inside a new branch. Future filter customers with statue. Let me put single. I want to create it from the main now. Yeah, I want to create it from the main now. Yeah. Oops. I switch directly to my branch. Yeah. Yeah, I am on my branch. You see my job here. I have nothing. Filter customer single. Yeah, I created it from the main. So it's because I have this already on the main. It's because I do not remember. I have I have merged. I merged my the previous job I developed. I merged it on the main branch already. That is why I have it here. So yeah, so I can just use it directly here. So I'm just going to change the filter part here. I am going to put here instead of merit. I am going to put here single. Where is my file? Let me check my customer file. Is it single? Yeah, single, like this. Single. Oh, I'm going to write it single. Yeah. It's the single, yeah, in capital or in small letter. Sorry. So single here. I'm going to change the file name here. Customer field, customer with a statue single. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all. I need to change what again? Job filter customer. Yeah, I can rename my job. Yeah. I think I'm okay with my lock. We have here fight so yeah. I can just rename the job here. I want to rename my job name edit property. Yeah, I need to close it first here. Edit property. Yeah, this is it. Sheet cost suite. customer with statue single. Yeah. Click on finish. Yeah, now I can reopen my job. Yeah, let me run it. It is going to write the log also. I need to customize also here. Customer with statue. I need to put here instead single. Yeah. Voila. Okay, let me click on run now. Yeah. Okay, you see I have two customers with the status single. If I open this file, you see I have this customer and this customer, these two. You see he has created the file status single with the two customers with the status single. You see. If also I check my log file here. Yeah. I have in my log file customer, two customers with status single. This is the part of today of what I've executed for this job. So the sub job customer with status single, end of sub job customer with status single, and two customer have status single. So these three logs: start, filter, and end. So that's it. Now we are going to what we are going to do. We are going to build a job and create another job conductor for this other part of the job, so that we can add it in our execution plan. So let us build a job. Let us say standalone. It is, let's say, all document. Yeah, I can say filter here, customer with status single, and click on finish document. Voila. It is going to build a job and make it executable. Okay, so let us go. You see, this is the build job. Now we are going to go to our Talend Administration Center, the job conductor. You are going to create another job conductor so that it can also appear here in our execution plan. You can see it here also. You can see it here also. You see. You see, for the moment you can see only one because you have only one task in the job conductor. So let us create a new task, normal task. You can call it my project conductor. I can say customer. Customers statue single. We copy, paste it here, and select our task. This one, this build job. Open, upload, launch, upload. Yeah. Here, execution server. We are going to select our test server. Context you leave default here. Yeah, you click on save now. Yeah, ready to deploy. So next step, you need to deploy. You see it has been put inside this bunch. Filter customer single. under this branch. You see the server here. We have our test server under the test server. So it is ready to deploy here. We need to deploy our job conductor, our task. Let us deploy it. Select and click on deploy. Yeah, now it is ready to run. Now you can come here on the execution plan. You see that you are going to have the two jobs. Yeah, but we first want to select this, and after this one has been executed successfully, we need to execute now the second task. Let us add the at on OK. Yeah, now I click on the second one, customer statue, and click on save. You see, so after this job has been executed, if it has been executed successfully, I'm going to execute the second one. You see, so to test our job, let us delete this filter so that you can see it. Just delete also this lock. Yeah, so here you are going to see the two customer filter and customer filter single, and in our logs also you are going to see the logs for the two job. So let us save our execution plan. I think I have saved it. Yeah, I need now to I think it is already ready to run, so I can run my execution plan. Let me run it. Running. Yeah, I have one file. Wait, so yeah, I think he has one. You see, he has one successfully. This is my log. Yeah, you see in my log I have the two log. Concerning the filter customer file, I'm not seeing it. This is the filter for the status single, but the filter for the wait, for the other job I'm not able to see it. Let me go to this branch, or let me see where it's supposed to put the file. In the directory where I'm supposed to have the file. I think it's in the same directory. Normally it should put the file here. Filter customer. Normally it should put the file there. Wait, so you see, it's a user student document customer filter. Yeah, normally it should put it here, but I'm not seeing the file. Why I'm not seeing the file on OK? I execute this one. Let me, maybe I need to put it here so that it can start here. I don't know. Wait, let me run it over. Let me run it over. Maybe I need to select the execution plan and run the execution plan. Yeah, I click on it. I click now on run one. Yeah, you see, customer with status single. He has run the first one. On OK, at on OK. Normally, yeah, customer status single. Okay. Yeah, I see. Uh, where I see it get deleted the file. Oh la la. Yeah, I see. Do you remember? It's because of this delete. I keep deleting instead this file. After you see, I need to change also this. Okay, let me go back to this. Yeah, I was thinking why I have this. So it's because of this delete. So I need to change also the file I need to delete on the other job. Yeah, so that actually it is deleting the customer filter before creating the customer filter with the status single. Yeah, so let me show you. Let me show you. Yeah, it's here. Because here in this customer filter status single, we delete the file that has been created previously before we create now the new file. See, so here we need to delete instead this file. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Delete this one. Voila. I think now we are. We are good. So, yeah. If I execute, I test my job. I have an error. Already exist. Oh la la. Already exist. Wait, not understanding. Customer status single. The file exists. Yeah. Oh la la. The file exists. I need also to change here. I check the existence of this file instead. Yeah. And then I delete it. Sorry for that. So I have this. I can run it. Okay, now we are good. I can rerun it the second time. So we are good. So if I open my job now, see I have my two customers. I want to close this one. Yes, okay. Sorry. So I'm going to re-export the job. I'm going to delete this one because it's not good. Let me rebuild our job inside that same document directory. Oops, I'm going to do it all here. Oops, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let us go back to our here we are going to delete this one because yeah, I'm just going to copy this. Oh, sorry. So I'm going to delete this one. Oh no, no, I can even, I don't need to delete, I can just change, I can just update the zip. I don't need to delete it. I can just update the zip. Yeah, can save it back. Voila. So I come back here in my execution plan. It's just going to get updated with the new thing is yes updated already. So let me delete this one and this one. The two files are going to appear here with the lock. We are going to check it together. Oops, let's execute back our execution plan. I want to save it. Nothing to save here. On okay. You see, I have customer filter now. Then it is executing the second one also. Yeah, yes, execute the second one also. You see, customer filter statue. With a single, you see, if you open here, you have the statue married. And if you open the second one, we have the statue single. So you see how the execution plan works. So according to your need, you can use any connector here. As I was explaining to you, you have an add-on error. So in case the previous job was on error, in case it is in error, you want to execute another job, and after, so it is going to execute the next job without taking into consideration that the previous job has failed or not. So it is going just to execute the next job. So I think here you can stop your execution plan. Click on it, can completely stop it. Are you sure you want to stop the plan before it normal ends? Stop the running tasks manually if the plan continue to run, but I don't want to stop it. Here you can delete your execution plan. After you have stopped it, you can resume your plan. For example, let me stop it and show you this. Yeah, I say yes. Yeah, I don't want to resume it. Are you sure you want to resume the selected task and enable all your trigger? Click on resume. See, when I stop, I can stop the plan. I resume back the plan again. Yeah, you can delete. Yeah. You can also add trigger to your planner. You can also, as I showed you in the previous tutorial, to add trigger in the task in the job conductor, you can do the same. Add trigger to your plan here. You have the three type of trigger: simple, cron, and filter trigger, to execute your plan automatically. Yeah. So I think that's all. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.